We really love everyday objects, almost kind of the things like the unsung heroes that are surrounding all of us.
When we make stuff like our coasters and our trivia, it's not that the products are unfinished, it's that over time they will develop like a patina. I'm Joe Kent.
And I'm Sallyann, and we are Fruitsuper Design, which is a Seattle-based design studio. We met at our first college 13 years ago, maybe.
We came out as kind of a married couple, like a package deal, and then we've been working together professionally since 2008.
I get really obsessed in why something needs to exist and exhaustively will research. And Joe is really great at manufacturing methods and materiality. And I mean, we always jokingly say that I'll come up with this like pie in the sky idea and he figures out how to make it real. We really put a lot of emphasis on the manufacturing methods and materiality and making things in the most efficient way possible.
It was really interesting because we kind of have an established coaster that we had done, but Reefer Patron was kind of wide open, which we tended to kind of apply our own constraints, which were to kind of look at the value system, a lot of the imagery that they presented. We took a lot of inspiration from the material palette that Patron presents.
We've been playing around with some kind of textured oak, playing up the idea that they use the barrels for their aging, the cork, glass even, both the materials they use for the packaging and presentation as well as the materials they use in the process of making the tequila. When we started our business, one of our core values was focusing on US manufacturing for many reasons. And we've actually even gotten closer and closer literally to where we live because we love visiting them, we love knowing who they are, meeting the workers, meeting the skilled people that are making the products, which has been really wonderful. Seeing the products being made is really exciting for us. It's still like that Mr. Rogers field trip feeling. We still get just as excited as we did the first day.
Yeah, every time.
Every time, yeah.